Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe it's already time for the May Boxycharm, which is this video today. The crazy thing is I still keep thinking that we are in April, and I keep saying April, but yes, we are in May, right? Yes, we're in May. We're almost halfway through May, and it's time for Boxycharm, so let's go ahead and see what I got in my May Boxycharm. I am wearing a robe because a lot of the items in here are skincare because I did peek at it. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. I look so tired and my skin looks so tired, and I could use some amazing products for my skin. I mean, I still have acne. I still have acne from the masks, and it's just driving me crazy, but I have my good days and I have my not so good days. So it's crazy that I'm getting skincare items because my skin is not doing so well right now, but hopefully these items will help. So this is the card for May. It's May Flourish, May Flowers. Makes sense. So let's go ahead and see what I have. So the first thing I see is this Murad Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. So this basically detoxifies and revitalizes your skin overnight. So from all the pollutions and the blue light from our electronic devices can really age us. So this is supposed to help prevent that and to protect your skin from that. And I think that's really, really nice. It's an overnight one, so obviously I can't really try it on and let you know. And again, with skincare products, I really can't let you know how it is unless I give it a try for like at least 2 weeks. So the best I can do is just show you what it looks like and how it feels and stuff. So Murad is actually a pretty well-known brand, and they have really, really good products. So this seems like one of those where you have to push it in and it deposits like the amount that you need. Right, so I got a little bit here. Ooh, it smells really good. So I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. Feels nice and smooth and very, very hydrating and very like moisturizing. So yeah, it feels good. It smells really good. It smells really like fresh. Citrusy, I guess, a little bit. So yeah, so this is overnight. So I'm definitely excited to try this for my overnight skincare. Really need to get back into like a better skincare system because of the breakouts. So the next thing I see is this Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Uplift for Smooth and Lift. Such a pretty bottle. This is actually $65. So this is basically for anti-aging, for smoother, firmer skin. And you know, when you get to that age, you just always want something that's anti-aging, so I'm definitely going to try this. So it has collagen, so it makes your skin more supple and more firm and youthful looking. It has coenzyme Q10, which improves the appearance of wrinkles, and then it has hyaluronic acid, which keeps your skin very moisturized and hydrated and smooth. So the directions say 3 drops twice daily before applying moisturizer. So 1, 2, 3. So I don't have anything on my skin right now, so this is the first thing that I am applying, and it's just a serum, so it doesn't really have a scent or anything either, but yeah. Next, I have this Beekman 1802 Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum, which is amazing because I need an eye serum. I've been looking for an eye serum. If anybody has used this before, please leave me a comment letting me know how it worked out for you. So it's really cute. It comes in this like little pouch, which I think is so adorable. And it just says apply a pea-sized amount under eyes, on eyelids, and around the orbital bone every morning and evening to look and feel fresh. So this right here is $42. This is supposed to help with fatigue, and it's supposed to awaken your eyes. And it is a highly concentrated and clinically proven eye serum. It has a powerful blend of actives and goat milk, so it absorbs into skin quickly, and it is hydrating revitalization that illuminates eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles, which is exactly what I need. I mean, I feel like majority of the people need something for puffy eyes and dark circles, and I'm just blessed to have both. So hopefully this works. I kind of feel like I need to shake it. So it's literally like water, so I don't know how to do a pea size if that's what it's saying, but I literally had to put it on all my fingers, and I'm just going to pat it in has an interesting smell. Nothing too bad, but I don't know how to explain the smell, but yeah. So hopefully that works. I hope I'm getting like the right consistency and it's not just like water. Okay, so the next thing I have is the Ciate London Shadow Flip. Now the crazy thing about this is that I did look into this a couple of months ago, I want to say, or at least a month ago, and I actually went into Ulta asking them if they have this, but apparently I don't think Ciate London is sold in Ulta because they were kind of confused. So I saw this on TikTok and I wanted to get my hands on it so badly. It's crazy that I got it in my box because I kind of forgot about it and I'm very excited that I got it. So the reason I like it so much is that it is like a liquid eyeshadow that has dual colors, which is amazing. It's duochrome. So this thing right here is 20 bucks and it is a liquid eyeshadow that has shade shifting color flipping pigments. So it basically, you know, it has multi-tone, duochrome, all that good stuff. And the color that I got is Ember, I think? Ember. Yeah, just the box itself is just so pretty. This is what the shadow itself looks like. And this looks like a very pretty color, very like peacock-ish. And I'm gonna apply this on my hand. Oh, the color is so pretty. See how it goes like green and then orange and pink. It is so pretty. I'm going to actually put it on for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to try to keep it as simple as possible with the eyes and not go too crazy. So let's just go ahead and just apply this directly onto the lid. Oh, so pretty. That's just gorgeous. So beautiful. I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit. So quite frankly, I wouldn't mind just leaving it as it is because I feel like it looks so pretty on its own, but just putting like a lash and you should be good. But for the sake of just doing a little bit more, I'm gonna use my Ciate London this is the editor's palette that I did get in my other Boxycharm. So I'm going to go ahead and use this and just deepen it up a little bit more, I guess. Actually going to take this deep brown right here and go into my outer end and kind of like windshield motion it. And honestly, that is all I'm gonna do. Like, this shadow is so effortless that you really don't need to do much to make it look so pretty because it's just so beautiful on its own. Like, just putting that on, it looks like I did so much, but really nothing. I just put a shadow and that's it. Oh, it's so pretty. Alright, so let me go ahead and highlight those areas because we need a little bit of pop of highlight, you know, just to brighten it up a little bit. But ooh, so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I can't get over how pretty it is. Gotta do the bottom lid, so I'm just gonna take the same brown that I used before and just pop that onto my bottom lid. So I'm gonna finish this look by popping on some lashes and I'll be right back. It literally took me forever to put these lashes on. The lashes were so difficult today. I don't know why, but it's okay. We got through it. It's all right. I mean, honestly, I didn't think I wanted to just quit, but we got them in. It's all good. All is good. So let's keep going. I have one more item. This is the Hydrating 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm. This is by Sophia and Mabel and it is $15. So it's supposed to be a hydrating lipstick and lip balm in one. And it is packed with vitamin E to keep your lips looking smooth and silky. And it has full coverage satin finish lipstick. So let's go ahead and get into this and see what color I got. Ooh, my lipstick got jammed. Okay, so this one is called Topless. So it is like this brown color, which I don't know how well it's gonna look, but yeah, it's a little janky. Ooh, what happened? But this is the color, and I don't know how that's gonna look on my lips. but it is hydrating and supposed to be silky, so I'm gonna put this on, but I feel like I'm gonna need a lip liner, but I'm just gonna put this on first just to show you guys the color. Yeah, my lips are so dry. So if there's any part of this that's a lip balm, it should just hydrate it, but it's pretty dry right now. It's getting into the cracks because of the color. But let me go ahead, I mean, it does feel kind of smooth though, but let me go ahead and put some lip liner on, and then hopefully that'll make it better. I get so excited to put on a lip liner because I get to use my ColourPop lippy pencils. So this one is Control. So it's pretty dark. Alright, so, ooh. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this on top. Ooh, pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. Alright, so I can leave it like this. I could put a little gloss on it, but I think I'm gonna leave it like this. The color on its own doesn't go too well with my lips, but I would say to hydrate your lips a little bit because it's not like a balm, it's more like a silky lipstick. So if you have like dry lips, I would just like hydrate them a little bit first. I really, really like the color with the lip liner. It looks really pretty, so I like this. So that is it. That is everything. I believe that all of this comes out to about $216, and I mainly believe it's because of all the skincare, but I paid like 27 bucks for this, which includes like the taxes or shipping or whatever. The taxes, yes. So yeah, that's really amazing. So I like everything that I got. I'm excited to try on the skincare items. I hope everything works well for my skin. Pray for my skin, you guys. Pray for my skin. Help it to get better because it has its good days and then it has these days. But yeah, let me know in the comments which item you guys like the most. I will say my favorite is the eyeshadow because I've been wanting this eyeshadow and it looks so pretty. I mean, how simple was that? It took nothing. Oh my gosh, honestly, you could have just left it alone and I still think it looks so pretty. So yeah, let me know which one was yours. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please, please, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!